Jai Gurudev children, I hope you have watched the last video. Very good. In today's class, before we start, let's revise a little about what we had learnt in our previous class. Okay? Children, in our last class, we had learnt how to do single digit addition, right? Now let's solve few examples. Let's go to example A. Children, tell me, how many kangaroos can you see here? Yes, there are 2. Now observe. How many more joined them? You're correct. 1 kangaroo joined it, right? Now before there were 2 kangaroos and 1 more joined them. So now tell me total how many kangaroos are there in example A? You're correct. There are 3 kangaroos. Very good. Now let's go to example B. Now count and tell me how many kangaroos are here? Yes, there are 4. Now let's observe how many more joins them. Okay. Before there were 4 kangaroos. Tell me how many more joined them? Yes, 2 more joined them. Now how many are there in total in example B? Very good children, you are correct. There are total 6 kangaroos. And children, do you know that we don't find kangaroos in our country? Do you know where it is found? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. It is found in a place called as Australia. And do you know what is special about the kangaroos? Can you see? It has a bag which is called as pouch. It carries their baby until they grow up. They look so cute, right? Children, read the number which you can see. Yes, it is number 48. So tell me, in which place is number 8? Correct, it is in 1's place. Now tell me, in which place is number 4? It is 10's place. You're correct. So when you see number 8 in 1's place, we write it as 8 ones, which is equal to 8. And when you see number 4 in 10's place, we write it as 4 tens, which is equal to 4 or 40. Yes, it is 40. Okay, so 4 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 48. Understood, children? Children, as you have understood how to find out the place value of the number, we'll just play a small quiz here. Okay, let's start. Which is the number here, children? It is 45. You're correct. Now I will circle one number. You have to tell me in which place it is. Okay, you have to read the number. Yes, now I've circled number 5. So how do we read it? It is in 1's place, so it is 5 ones. Understood? So let's continue. Now read the next number. It is 82. I've circled number 8. So how do we write it now? It is 8 tens. You're correct. Now read the next number. It is 67. I've circled number 7. So how do we write it now? It is 7 ones. You're correct. Let's go to the next number. Read the number, children. Yes, it is 14. I've circled number 1. So how do we write it? 1 is in 10's place. So we write it as 1 10. We'll go to the next number. The number is, yes, 20. I've circled number 0, which is in 1's place. So how will we write it? Yes, it is 0 ones. We'll go to the last number. Read the number, children. It is 39. Yes, you're correct. So I've circled number 9. 9 is in ones place. How do we write it? Yes, it is 9 ones. Very good. You understood, no, children? Children, as you have learned how to add and find out the place value of a given number, let's try to expand the numbers here. Okay, let's go to number 41 and expand the number. Now you have to tell me, in tens place, which number should I write? Yes, it is 4. Very good. 4 tens and dash ones. Which number will come there, children? Yes, it is 1. Very good. Now we'll expand number 24. So which is the number that I have to write there? It is 2. You're correct. 2 tens and dash ones. So what is the number that will come there? It is 4. You're right. Now let's add this. Okay, we see the symbol plus there, so we have to add. As you all remember, from which place we have to start to add? Yes, ones place. So tell me, how much is 1 plus 4? It is 5. So 5 ones. Now we'll go to the tens place and add. How much is 4 plus 2? Yes, it is 6. So now 6 tens and 5 ones is equal to 65. Very good. Children, now let's solve few more examples in our textbook. Open your composite book, turn to page number 100 and write today's date. Now let's start. You have to add the following numbers. First we have to expand the numbers and then add. Okay, so we have to add here 15 plus 83. So tell me what I have to write there. Dash 10 plus dash ones. Yes, it is 1 10 and 5 ones. Very good. Now when you expand number 83, what should I write? In tens place, yes, it should be 8, and in ones place it should be 3. Correct. So now let's add the numbers in ones place. 5 plus 3 is 8 ones. 1 plus 8 is 9 tens. So what will be the number, children? 9 tens and 8 ones. It is 98. Very good. We'll go to the second one. Here you have to expand first number 26. So we are in tens place. Which is the number I have to write? It is 2, and in ones place we'll write 6. Now let's expand number 51. In tens place we have to write 5, and in ones place we have to write 1. And let's add the numbers in ones place. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 5 is also 7. So 7 tens and 7 ones will be, yes, 77. Very good. We'll go to the next one. Here we have to add number 32 plus 27. Let's expand number 32. We'll write 3 tens and 2 ones. Then we'll expand number 27, which is 2 tens and 7 ones. And when you add the numbers, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 tens and 9 ones is equal to 59. Let's turn to next page and continue. Here we have to add the numbers. So tell me, what is the number that will come in tens place? Yes, it is 4. And the number that will come in ones place is 2. Very good. Now next line, it will be 5 and then 4. So when you add 2 plus 4 it is 6, and when you add 4 plus 5 it is 9. So 9 tens and 6 ones is equal to 96. We'll go to the next one. Let's expand number 61. We'll write 6 in tens place, 1 in ones place, 3 in tens place and 7 in ones place. When you add 1 plus 7 it is 8. and when you add 6 plus 3 it is 9. So 9 tens and 8 ones is 98. We'll go to the next one. We'll write 7 in tens place and 2 in ones place. For number 13, 1 in tens place and 3 in ones place. 2 plus 3 is 5, 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 tens and 5 ones is 85. Did you all finish, children? Children, I want you to complete the rest of the exercise. We will check for the answer in our next class. Children, let's turn to page number 61 in Bal Ganit. Here you have to do the addition sums and fill in the blanks. Yesterday we learnt addition table, right? This is just like a wheel. We can even call it as a addition wheel. Okay, let's try to solve the sums here. We have to keep the bigger number in our mind and the smaller number on our fingers. For all the numbers which you see inside 7, 5, 8, 3, 6 and 9, for all these numbers you have to add 8 and then write the answer. Okay, let's start. First one is done. We'll add 8 plus 5. So tell me how much is 8 plus 5, children? It is 13. 8 plus 8 is 16. Correct. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 6 is 14. Correct. 9 plus 8 is 17. Very good. We'll go to the second wheel. Here the numbers are 12, 1, 13, 14, 18 and 15. To all these numbers we have to add 6. First one is done. We'll go to the next one. Here you have to add 6 plus 1, which is 7. Now you have to add 6 to number 13. So 13 plus 6 is 19. Very good. Let's add number 6 to 14. Keep the bigger number, that is 14 in your mind, 6 on your fingers, and let's count forward. So 14 plus 6 is, yes, 20. Now let's add 18 plus 6, which is 24. Correct. Now we'll go to the last one. We'll add 15 plus 6, which is 21. Very good, children. Here you have to complete the table. In the first table, to all the numbers that they have given, you have to add 5 to all the numbers. First one they have done, if you see, the number is 12. They have added 5 to number 12. So after 12, if we count 5, that is 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So you see the answer there, right? In the same way, we have to add number 5 to rest of the numbers. So let's add 9 plus 5 is 14. 23 plus 5 is equal to 28. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 34 plus 5 is equal to 39. 73 plus 5 is equal to 78. Understood, children? This is how we have to solve. Now we'll go to the second table. Here you see on the top they have given add 7. So here to all the numbers we have to add 7. So let's start. 43 plus 7 is equal to 50. 50 plus 7 is equal to 57. 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. 32 plus 7 is equal to 39. 58 plus 7 is equal to 65. 71 plus 7 is equal to 78. Did you all complete, children? Children, this is page number 63 in your Bal Ganit book. Complete it as your homework. You can check for the answers in our next class. Okay? Children, I hope all of you have done your homework. Did you all find the addition table easy? Were you all able to do it? Very good. Now pause the video and check for the answers. Okay? Children, I hope you understood and enjoyed today's class. Let's all meet in our next class. Take care of yourselves. Jai Gurudev.